sipping on my lean and I'm
fucking magazine!
Hello everybody, in this video I was playing at one of Gunman Airsoft's forest sites. The staff at this site are fantastic and I had a brilliant time there. During these next few clips I'm going to show you how to piss off some rural airsoft players. I myself are primarily a CQB player and prefer to be close up in the action, so this was a bit different for me. Nevertheless, I enjoyed every second of it. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to leave a like, a comment and maybe even subscribe. That would be fantastic. Enjoy.
There's a lot of them coming. They're up high, guys. Watch high left.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
That's blind firing, mate. Come on, dude. Just fucking hell, mate. Short the shit out.
I'm sure you guys are all wondering, yes, all three of those extra shots were headshots. The only reason I can think he did that was because he was getting annoyed that I was beating a lot of their team. I had been throughout the rest of the day, because I play very differently to how they do. I'm very fast or aggressive compared to their very laid back playstyle, and I think that it was just getting to him a little bit. He did find me after the game and apologised, so it was all resolved relatively quickly. So no harm, no foul. Did sting a bit, but that's the game.
Hey! Get out! What a nade! Push out! No way! Oh my god! Go! Everybody up! Let's go! Apart from that guy. Ah! I'm not. Don't worry. On the left. Behind the fallen tree, left hand side. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I slipped when I threw it. Yeah, my foot was dug in and it undugged itself. Snap it out, move up with me, come on, let's go to that barricade. Tough shit, fuck the one more. Barrel roll, completely accidental. Throw it down! Actually, no, leave it. Leave it. Hang on, what's this? What's this? Yes! Guys, get aggressive, let's go!
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out these other cool things on the screen as well.